Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting gears to one of the most exciting middleweight naked bikes on the market, the all-new 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its punchy performance, aggressive styling, and everyday usability, the MT-07 has been a favorite among riders worldwide. For 2026, Yamaha refines this Streetfighter even further, making it sharper, smarter, and more thrilling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 features an updated design that leans deeper into Yamaha's dark side of Japan philosophy. The front end gets a more compact and aggressive LED headlamp setup, giving the bike a menacing stance. Sharper tank shrouds, revised body panels, and new color schemes enhance its muscular look. The overall silhouette remains lightweight and compact, but with added visual attitude that makes the MT-07 stand out both day and night. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 MT-07 is Yamaha's renowned 680cc CP2 parallel twin engine, delivering strong low-end torque and smooth mid-range power. The engine is paired with a refined 6-speed gearbox, offering quick acceleration and an engaging ride. Yamaha has fine-tuned the throttle response and suspension for improved control, making the bike equally confident in city traffic and on twisty back roads. Safety and technology. For 2026, Yamaha introduces enhanced rider-focused technology. The MT-07 now offers selectable ride modes and traction control for added confidence. A new TFT display provides clear riding information along with smartphone connectivity. Improved braking performance and refined electronics make the MT-07 safer and more intuitive for riders of all skill levels. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 builds on an already winning formula with sharper styling, refined performance, and modern tech. It remains a perfect choice for riders seeking excitement, versatility, and everyday fun. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more bike launches, reviews, and the latest in automotive culture.